Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got a fun and challenging quiz lined up, 30 multiple choice questions to find out if you're a true grammar genius. Ready to prove your skills? Let's get started. 1. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She is reading. Tips: check subject-verb agreement. 2. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. He asked, "Where is the book?" Tips: proper punctuation requires a question mark within quotation marks. 3. Identify the main clause in the sentence. When the bell rang, the students rushed out. The students rushed out. Tips: the main clause expresses the primary action. 4. Which sentence is in future perfect tense? She will have arrived by then. Tips: future perfect uses will have plus past participle. 5. What is an infinitive verb? A verb in its base form. Tips: an infinitive verb is the base form preceded by to. 6. Which sentence is in the conditional form? If it rains, we will cancel the trip. Tips: conditional forms express a condition and a result. 7. Choose the sentence with a conditional verb form. She must leave now. Tips: modal verbs express necessity or possibility. 8. Identify the correct direct question. Can you tell me where the station is? Tips: indirect questions follow normal sentence order. 9th. Which sentence contains a reflexive verb? He saw himself in the mirror. Tips: reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject. 10th. Which sentence contains a separable phrasal verb? She gave up her job. Tips: phrasal verbs consist of a verb plus preposition / adverb. 11th. Which sentence contains an example of an oxymoron? She likes reading, cooking, and painting. Tips: parallel structure keeps the same grammatical form. 12. What is the correct form of the verb in, if I would take the job? Were. Tips: were is used for subjunctive mood in conditionals. 13. What is the function of the word slowly in? He spoke slowly to make himself clear. Adverb. Tips: quickly describes how she ran, functioning as an adverb. 14. Identify the correct use of there, or there. Going to the market. There. Tips: there is a contraction of they are. 15. Identify the correct use of apostrophe. It's raining outside. Tips: it means it's is possessive. 16. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't know. Tips: use doesn't with third person singular. 17. Identify the preposition. Under. Tips: prepositions show relation to time, place, or direction. 18. Which is a complete sentence? I went to bed early. Tips: complete sentences need subject and verb. 19. What is the correct plural form of child? Children. Tips: pay attention to irregular plurals. 20. Choose the correct sentence. He goes to school every day. Tips: use the correct form of verbs with subjects. 21. Which of these is a possessive pronoun? Theirs. Tips: possessive pronouns show ownership. 22. What is the past tense of eat? Ate. Tips: some verbs have irregular past forms. 23. Which sentence is correct? She has a book. Tips: use the correct form of have for subjects. 24. Which is the correct form of the verb in this sentence? They. Playing soccer. Are. Tips: use the appropriate verb form for plural subjects. 25. Which word is an adjective? Beautiful. Tips: adjectives describe nouns. 26. Which of these is a conjunction? Because. Tips: conjunctions connect words or clauses. 27. What is the correct form of the verb in this sentence? She. A book now. Is reading. Tips: use the present continuous tense for ongoing actions. 28. What is the comparative form of good? better. Tips: irregular adjectives change forms differently. 29. Which of these is a conjunction? A. Tips: conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. 30. Which sentence is correct? He can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. So, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain boosting English quizzes. Keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.